Hi everyone, this is K-pop Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in the Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang, Dawn Bell compilation, of course. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Dawn Bell has to offer for today's video. Atake agad-agad. Ay, ganun po talaga dapat, ma'am. Endgame na talaga to, ma'am, no matter what. No matter what. Ay, saan to? Wala ba silang video dito? Sana nag-vlog si Donnie dito, no? Para naman at least may share sa atin. Pero for sure may mga videos din naman yan sila. Di ba? May ilalabas. Feeling ko Star Magic ang maglalabas. Na? Feeling niya. Ako feeling ko, Star Magic for today's video. Ewan. Hechicera. Hechicera mo talaga, KG. Totoo lang. As. Okay.
Don Bell will be on a pause. How did it feel?
It felt okay. To be honest, we were
It
working
felt
on our
okay.
set. So,
Basta ang importante for now ang sabi nyo ha, maghihintay talaga kami. Nanggigigil ako doon.
Emotionally, mga eksena, sobrang bigat. So, if we check social media, it might affect it. But the next day, nung nakita na namin, and we saw that, our supporters really respected our decision, and I think everyone knows where we're coming from also. Yeah, it felt good, it felt like a good release, and we're just happy. Siyempre, emotional din siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung next time na magkikita kami sa set. Pero,
Sa ASAP! Haler! Don't tell me sa ASAP wala din kayo ha. Hindi maaari. Hindi siguro. Diba? Don't tell me talaga doon eh. Ayan na naman. Chaotic mess up. Ay, ito. Ito si Ola. Si Ola. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Sabi. Cutie. Cutie. Hi, Olaf. Ano sabi niya? Ano sabi niya? You're here.
Hi, Olaf.
Ay, paano ba magsusundo talaga sila sa mga anak nila?
It's my birthday.
Si Don. Cutie ni Olaf. Ay, wait, what is this? Ah, tali official TikTok. Oh. Bago lang to ah. Bago lang to. Screening ng tali official. Business. Yung business. Yung business ni Belle. Right? Tali. I hope she doesn't change the inner child in her. I love it. She's so happy. I couldn't agree more. Ako din. Tapos si Donnie, nagiging din, yung inner child din ni Donnie, no? Nagiging na din siya. Nagiging, what do you call this? Baby na din siya. Nahawa na siya kay Belle. I survey you. Di ba si Donnie? Imagine. Diyos ko. Di ko talaga nakitang gumaganyan si Donnie sa iba.
I hope she doesn't change that inner child in her. Kasi I love when she's super happy and like super excited about things like she was when she was a child.
Kay Donnie
It's
pala
also
na line
ganun din
yun
ako
ang
May mga
galing.
parts din ako na ganun.
Kasi ako as Belle, ganun din ako magmahal eh. Like, I give my all. I really will give my all. I'm so proud of everyone there on set. And Donnie, of course.
Saan nila? Yun ang I
Wish
give
ko
my
kay
all.
Cheska, siguro wag niya lang kalimutan na sobrang daming nagmamahal sa kanya. Sobrang dami niyang kayang i-offer sa mundo. Sobrang dami niyang talents. He's a beautiful person inside and out. You know, and she is someone that can truly make her mark in the industry. And she can do anything she puts her mind. Yun yung wish ko lang sa kanya na never niya
Napaka-OA. Napaka-OA ng kanta. Sorry, ah. Das... Ay, may ibang angle. Ay, what is this? Hey guys, I'm out of the country right now in a short break. Bago lang to? Ay, hindi. Matagal na to eh. Oh my God. Grabe. Ay. Actually, yung kasiyahan ni Belle, pag masaya siya, nakakahawa eh. Kaya no wonder bakit nasabi ni Donnie yung tipong, I hope na hindi siya mag-change yung inner child niya the way. Kasi it makes me happy as well, which is true. Wow,
I
charas.
think everything just should center.
Diba, Mel?
Siyempre, nobody's perfect, but if you can do your best to aim for that.
Ay, wait lang.
loving-
Nakamute pala ako, sorry.
What is the thing that matters most to you these days?
Love and time and relationships. I think everything just should center around love, you know. Siyempre, nobody's perfect, but if you can do your best to aim for that, loving people despite the situation, understanding where people are coming from. Siyempre, it's easier said than done, diba? Pero if we could just have more grace towards people. And siyempre, time, that's something we can never buy. So, I didn't say money because money can never buy time. If you have time, then that is the most valuable currency you can have. And of course, you spend that with people who mean the most to you, or even strangers, you know, people who you just want to get to know, people you want to share experience with, or talk about your differences, diba? So there, just having a holistic approach.
Okay. Ay, tama na yan. This is Kimo Vlogs. See you on the next vlog. Bye.